my channel. My name is Amanda. I'm the co-owner of Soul Foods Kitchen, and today we're going to show you how to make vegan butter. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Amanda, and I'm here with Colette, and we are going to make vegan butter. In our last video, we showed you how to make hemp milk. This recipe does call for milk. You can use almond milk, coconut milk, soy milk, whatever milk you like. But if you're on the AIP diet, you can't do nuts. So that's why today we're opting for hemp milk. Okay, so let's get started. This recipe is my favorite because I love butter, but not animal products, and it's so easy. So Colette, tell us about your oil, and if we could put in 5 ounces into our blender, that's what we'll do.
All right, so what I have, I don't know if you guys can see this beautiful color, that is 2 ingredients, whole plant hemp and unrefined, cold pressed organic coconut oil. It's we're here in Florida, and so it's like, I don't know, upper 60s today, so it's a little thick. Normally when it's done, or when it's warmer out, it's like a liquid, but at this point it's gotten a little thick. But this is 2 ingredients to make it super easy to use as a base ingredient, just like we're doing here today. We're going to use a little bit more than the whole jar of this, but we're making a batch, so we're going to have a whole batch of infused, CBD infused, and I like to say whole plant hemp infused, because it's not just CBD. We are using all, ooh, I'm making a mess. We're using all of the plant, which means there is a trace amount of THC and some of the other parts of the plant that are so beneficial for our body, but not going to be enough THC to get you high, no matter how much butter you end up eating. But the idea here is that you've got this infused blend, and you're going to have an infused butter without having to go through the trouble of making a whole batch of infused butter and getting the flour and all of that stuff. So this is going to be way easier. And you can check out the other show that we did where we talked about the benefits of it, how it helps, and I do a ton of recipes and information on both comecrworld.com, as well as you can check out the sister company, CRW Network, to see more recipes that use this as well. We'll know the recipe. This is about 500 milligrams of CBD in this recipe, so that makes it easy.
So if you don't have enough of the oil, you can measure out almost what you have and top it off with unrefined coconut oil, which is what we're going to do today.
Yeah.
Make sure it's unrefined. The oil is unrefined, but if you buy refined coconut oil, your butter will be runny and it will never solidify.
Yeah.
Learn that the hard way. So we're going to dump the coconut oil in, and you're going to add in just a pinch of turmeric, and I have my hand in, well, this is a dash measure, so maybe not quite a dash. You want just a pinch of turmeric.
That's the dash, not the pinch though.
Right, so maybe not as much. I will share this recipe in the description box below. I will also include some links on where you can find my favorite brands, which we are using in this recipe. That's all right. We make messes. We make a lot of messes. So pinch of turmeric from the, again, from Terrasol, because I love Terrasol and all of their products. They're wonderful.
It's good to have a trusted brand, you know, the go-to that, like, you might not have tried their product before, but you know that they're a trusted brand. That's important. How's that?
That looks good. And next we're going to do, I use apple cider vinegar powder, but you can also use apple cider vinegar, which we are going to use raw apple cider vinegar, which is my favorite. And if you are tired of buying it, I will link to my other video on how you can make it at home.
Yay.
Should open this before we start. So we're just going to do a pinch of this. It's not very much, and you can always add more if you feel like you want more of a tang to your butter, but you can't take it out, so don't add too much and then regret it. Oh, sorry about this. So we'll do just a pinch, maybe just a little bit.
Oh, is that enough? I think I got more of it. I think we got some there.
You got some there? Okay.
Stick to the dash, right?
There we go. We're
okay.
going to do 1.8 ounces of our milk.
Okay.
So almost 2 ounces, that's almost a quarter of a cup. And so if you don't have hemp milk, you don't want to make milk, I had some organic vanilla milk in my fridge. You can use whatever you have on hand. So you can also make oat milk, which is another favorite milk I really like for this recipe.
So I don't know if you guys got to see this, but this was the milk that we whipped up here in like a minute. Just, you know, worth noting, because when you're looking for things around the house, just knowing if you have hemp seed and water, you have milk, you know, so there's that. Oh, and a pinch of salt.
Yes.
Okay, so how much were we putting in here?
We're gonna put 1.8 ounces, which is almost a quarter of a cup. It's okay if you add a little bit extra.
Whoa. How about that?
Right on the first time.
Boom.
Awesome.
Sorry, it's the little things in mind. Pour it in.
Yep. And next, you're going to add in some oil. We're going to do coconut oil again, 0.8 of an ounce. You could use olive oil, grapeseed oil, more coconut oil. I have walnut oil on the table, so it's what you have at home or whatever. 0.8.
0.8.
Whatever you have at home or whatever you personally enjoy. So next, we want to add in some liquid lecithin. It's a thickener, and some people aren't able to consume this, so we're going to leave this out today so that Colette can enjoy the butter. But I would add in, you can even, there's some other thickeners you can use, or if you find your butter is thick enough already and you don't need an extra thickener, you can just opt to leave it out. So that's it. That's as simple as it was. And we're going to put the lid on here, blend it up, and we'll be back and show you what it looks like. All right, so we're back and we have our butter. Kind of smells like butter.
It's butter and very coconutty butter.
Yeah, yes.
But there's a nutty, you know, smell to it. I think the hemp seeds probably helped with that too.
Yeah, I think the hemp milk was a great choice to pair with the coconut oil because it has that same flavor. Look at that. And she's gonna go home and put it in the fridge and then have vegan butter.
Nice.
You take this to your Thanksgiving party, let us know how that goes over with your family.
Absolutely. They might not even notice.
They probably wouldn't even notice that it was vegan.
Not if they've been hitting the schnapps or something.
Exactly. I'm pretty sure nobody, I fed this to my carnivore husband and he has no idea that it's vegan. So that's it. That's as simple as it is. A few ingredients, and if you pick up a few things, and I will drop in the description box below the substitutions you can use along with the recipe. So go make it. Let me know what you think. If you have questions, let us know. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you're first to know about all of our upcoming videos, and also head over to Colette's channel because she has all things CBD information and education that can help you get started on your CBD journey. We'll see you in the next video.